Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Store error message 0x000001F4 that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And the message reads, "Try that again, something happened in our end, waiting a bit might help." Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. Okay, so ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scannow. Ayan. So one word po yung /scannow. So sfc /scannow and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so makita nyo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take sometimes beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin dito na mag 100% verification complete. Okay? Okay, so makikita nyo dito na beginning verifications. So verifications 100% complete. And then next step ay close lang natin dito sa CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu and then click mo lang tong restart para ma-fix yung error. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Microsoft Store error code 0x000001F4 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.